Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup to Google Drive and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it, and there you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup, among others, contacts and call history and device settings. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And there we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, the advanced settings, so basically I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.